there are two main parts. The first one is how to control the format of the output file in R Markdown. The second one is how to check the layers used by ggplot. We intended to modify the color of the following worlds. The fundamental approach to control the formatting of the output file involves using the commands such as span style, this JavaScript like. As an illustration, we output the red color of this sentence, but this approach can be unwieldy when we need to control the format of numeral sentence. To streamline this process and achieve a more functionality, we can create a function that takes the desired color and sentence input and converts them into the appropriate format. By using this function, we can easily control the different color of different sentence. Like here, we change the different sentence to the assigned color. Similarly, we can do this for the font size. Here we change the different sentence for the assigned font size for 20 and 5 font size. In the same way, this could also be applied to control the text formatting for both bold and emphasize formats. Moreover, we can add any wanted hyperlink in the worlds like here. Here we just need to click the hyperlink and it could guide us to the desired website. We could also write the mathematical expression just like what we do in LaTeX. Here is one more difficult part, that for table, we have two possible usages. One is write manually like this. We draw the table for our outcomes for watching, and then is to print from the perceived data set. Like here, we print the first 6 rows of the baby's data set in open intro. Nevertheless, when we don't want any graphs to visualize the data, or just before we visualize the data, we simply want to examine the data summarized. This table can be challenging to interpret. So we want to assign different colors for different rows. Here is we just write the class of the method of how assign the colors for different rows. For example, here in every 3 rows, the first one will be assigned red, and the second one will be assigned orange, and the third one will be assigned green. We can just use this class here as a way like we do in control the color or font size. The color the table will be like here. It will be more clearly to clearly to see what happens to different people. Also, for the long data, like we read it from the CSV file or the perceived data set, it could easily show the change of something. Besides, we could also draw different colors for different columns. Just we need to change the tree to the TD. This is useful for watching if there are some correlations for different columns, like what we do in our homework, to see if there are relationship between the birth weight and the weeks of the gestation. The second part of this video is to answer the effect of the layers when we draw the composition of different curves, bins, etc. In the following code, we can draw a picture in our question 4 in problem set 1. But if we change the order of the histogram density and function, like to put the histogram to the last, the histogram will be first and hide the rest. So it will be more, we should check that when we use this. And one thing that is, when we want to combine 2 different scale and colored pictures, how could we do? That is, we could use the GG new scale package to combine the different scale pictures. In the backend, it just checks the minimum window that accommodates all points and other elements. Essentially, that is a maximum value among all graphs. Through this straightforward configuration, all layers can be displayed on the same graph concurrently.